Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on the application of ESPN. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about ESPN and we click here. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then we go to Play Store, you will search about the application of ESPN, and then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.